हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कबीर हर्ष। देखिए, आज का टॉपिक हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं सेक्शन 21 से। पब्लिक सर्वेंट के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं। द वर्ड पब्लिक सर्वेंट डिनोट्स अ पर्सन फेलिंग अंडर एनी ऑफ द डिस्क्रिप्शन हेयर इन आफ्टर फॉलोइंग नेमली। पहला देखिए रिपील्ड है, इसको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं। दूसरा हम पढ़ते हैं कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर। एवरी कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर इन मिलिट्री, मिलिट्री से इंक्लूडेड है नेवल और एयरफोर्स भी, तो मतलब डिफेंस ऑफिसर जो भी है। उसके बाद थर्ड है एवरी जज इंक्लूडिंग एनी पर्सन एम्पावर्ड बाय लॉ टू डिस्चार्ज whether by himself or as a member of any body of person any adjudicatory function। तो थर्ड है जज including any person which is empowered by law to discharge his functions। फिर फोर्थ है एवरी ऑफिसर ऑफ कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस। कौन? कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इंक्लूडिंग अ लिक्विडेटर, रिसीवर और कमिश्नर whose duty it is as such officer to investigate or report on any matter of law or fact, to make, authenticate or keep any document, or to take charge or dispose of any property, or to execute any judicial process, or to administer any oath, or to interpret or to preserve order in the court, and every person especially authorized by a court of justice to perform any of such duties। फिर उसके बाद फिफ्थ है एवरी जूरीमैन, assessor or member of panchayat assisting a court of justice or public servant। फिर उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे, सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इसका है एवरी आर्बिट्रेटर or other person to whom any cause or matter has been referred for decision or report by any court of justice or by any other competent public authority। उसके बाद सेवेंथ है एवरी पर्सन who holds any office by virtue of which he is empowered to place or keep any person in confinement। And eighth, every officer of the government whose duty it is, such as such officer, to prevent offences, to give information of offences, to bring offenders to justice, or to protect the public health, safety, or convenience। Ninth, every officer whose duty is it is as such officer to take, receive, keep, or expand any property on behalf of the government, or to make any survey, assessment, or contract on behalf of the government, or to execute any revenue process, or to investigate, or to report, or any matter of affecting the pecuniary interest of the government, or to make, authenticate, or keep any document relating to the pecuniary interest of the government, or to prevent the infraction of any law or for the protection of the pecuniary interest of the government, means revenue officer। 10th, every officer whose duty it is as such officer to take, receive, keep, or expand any property, to make any survey or assessment, to levy any rate, tax, authenticate or keep any document for the rights of the people of any village, town or district, means Tehsildar, SDM, DM will come under this category। 11th, every person who holds any office in virtue of which he is empowered to keep, publish, maintain, or revise an electoral roll or to conduct an election or part of election. Means election commission of a state. 12th, every person, it got 2 points. First, in the service or pay of the government or remunerated by fees or commission for the performance of any public duty by the government. Means any duty given by the government. दूसरा, in the service or pay of the local authority or corporation established by under central, provincial or state act or government companies, means any association or corporation made for the service by of this गवर्नमेंट. अब इसका इलस्ट्रेशन देख लीजिए, ये टोटल 12 हैं जो पब्लिक सर्वेंट के अंडर कैटेगरी में आते हैं. इलस्ट्रेशन देख लीजिए, इलस्ट्रेशन है अ म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर इज अ पब्लिक सर्वेंट. एक्सप्लेनेशन 1, person failing person falling under any of the above description are public servant whether appointed by the government or not. दूसरा, whenever the word public servant occurs, they shall be understood of every person who is in actual possession of the situation of a public servant, whatever legal defect there may be in his right to hold that situation. Explanation 3, the word election denotes an election for the purpose of selecting members of any legislative, municipal, or other public authority of whatever character. The method of selection of which is by or under any law prescribed by election. स्टेट अमेंडमेंट अपना राजस्थान का है, जिसकी अपने को जरूरत नहीं है, इसको कट कर देते हैं क्योंकि हम पढ़ रहे हैं मध्य प्रदेश के बारे में. 22nd अमेंडमेंट मतलब सॉरी 22nd सेक्शन जो है 22वां सेक्शन है मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में. मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी की मीनिंग क्या है? are intended to include corporeal property of every description except land, that and thing attached to the earth of permanently fastened to anything which is attached to the earth. Means every property which is not attached, means land, except land and things attached to the earth or permanently fixed. ये है मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी की डेफिनेशन. उसके बाद इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन आपका सेक्शन 23 है रॉन्गफुल गेन. रॉन्गफुल गेन ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है, इसको पढ़ लीजिए. रॉन्गफुल गेन इज अ गेन बाय अनलॉफुल मींस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी टू विच द पर्सन गेनिंग इज नॉट लीगल एंटाइटल्ड. और wrongful loss भी इसी के अंडर आता है. wrongful loss is the loss by unlawful means of property to which the person losing in its means कोई भी षड्यंत्र करके या आपको धोखाधड़ी से आपको नुकसान पहुंचाता है या फायदा पहुंचाता है, दैट मीन्स wrongful loss और wrongful gain. Gaining wrongfully, losing wrongfully. A person is said to gain wrongfully when such person retains wrongfully, as well as when such person acquires wrongfully. A person is said to lose wrongfully when such person is wrongfully kept out of any property, as well as when such person is wrongfully deprived of property. उसके बाद सेक्शन 24 सेक्शन देख लेते हैं. दैट इज dishonestly. Dishonestly is whoever does anything with the intention of causing wrongful gain. मतलब wrongful gain अगर कोई अपने लिए कर रहा है तो आपके साथ आपको wrongful loss प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, that is dishonestly to one person, or wrongful loss to another person is said to do that dishonestly. इसी में wrongful gain है. the expression wrongful gain includes wrongful retention and wrongful loss includes being kept out of the property as well as being wrongfully deprived of property. जजमेंट है कृष्ण कुमार वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया AIR 1959 का।